Hi besties! So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have noticed that I said I was going to post 2 videos this week. But I have a really bad habit of moving my hand closer to my face when I'm doing nails. So when I was recording doing my left hand, I missed everything. There was nothing in the camera. So I did my right hand, and this is what you're about to see. So yeah, enjoy! So today I'll be using and reviewing the Saviland Polygel Neon Glow in the Dark kit. And I got this off of Amazon for about $30. This kit comes with 7 tubes of polygel, a base coat and a top coat, the polygel brush, dual forms, nail forms, and a slip solution. This is what it looks like before it's cured. And this is what it looks like after it's cured in the dark. First, I'm going to start off by prepping my nails by cutting them. Then I'm going to push back my cuticles, file from underneath them, and also cut them. I'm not prepping my nails the way I would normally do it because I don't plan on keeping this set on for long. But when I do keep my sets on for long, I normally use the Mia Secret Dehydrator and Primer. And I get this off of Amazon. After I was done prepping my nails, I glued the tips on and shaped and filed them off camera. And now I'm using the base coat, and I really like it. It wasn't too runny and it wasn't too sticky. I also really like how this base coat isn't sticky after you cure it. Compared to when I used the Macart base coat, it's normally sticky after I cure it and I have to wipe it. But for this one, I didn't have to. Now I'm starting off on my thumb using the color fuchsia, and I use fuchsia for all my nails except for my ring finger. I'm using the color Jelly Orange. Now I shaped and filed everything off camera, and now I'm putting on a top coat, and I really like the top coat too. Once again, it's not sticky and I didn't really have to wipe it, and also the polygels, they were very nice. They were smooth and they weren't too runny and they weren't too stiff, so I really like this kit. And this is what they look like in the light when I was done after I put cuticle oil and lotion on my hands. Now for the nails to glow in the dark, you kind of have to charge it with the UV light. So I'm showing it with the UV light and also charging my nails. And they look pretty nice in the dark. Overall, I really like this kit. Everything was smooth and easy to work with. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!